Hi, welcome back, nice to meet you, I'm Michael. And this is gonna be another mystery box episode. But I gotta tell you, this inside is really heavy. So I'm so curious to find out what do we have. High tech for all, why don't you show us your favorite movie using this smart projector? Tell people your experience and what features catch your eye. Team Xiaomi. Projector. That's why it's heavy, and it's time to check it up. So, movie time. It's so exciting with the new Mi Smart Projector 2, because everything you have in your smartphone or PC can easily be streamed. With this new generation, Xiaomi have made sure to optimize everything possible and to squeeze the maximum out of the platform. Think of this device as a portable stylish projector with certified Android TV benefits. That's right, imagine taking the computing power of most Xiaomi TVs and adding it to this awesome LED optics so that you can enjoy experience of a new kind. To make things right, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to set it up. I would of course recommend you to spend some time actually reading the user guide too. Will come really handy, especially about the use case ideas. There's the main unit. Cool design, Xiaomi have well integrated a lot of small holes in the back side of the unit so that there is enough airflow. As you may know, this is of extreme importance about projectors, therefore never block the rear side of this one. At the first sight, we can see the front area, which is also quite stylish, a few ports on the rear and a power button at the top. I think this device looks so stylish that you would never guess it's actually a projector. Let's see about the specs. Most important is of course the optics. There's LED light with DLP technology, 500 ANSI lumen brightness and 1080p projecting resolution. Throw ratio 1.2:1, 60 to 120 inches screen size, multi-angle auto keystone correction. It's powered by AM logic system on a chip, has 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs local storage, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, a headphone jack, USB 2.0 and HDMI port on the back, so well equipped for delivering truly great multimedia experience. Combines the qualities of a good Android TV box with the glory of a small and stylish projector. Performance is about right to provide good-looking animations and to scroll well between the screens. If you involve some gaming, it can be even more fun. Feel free to grab any app that you like from Android TV's Play Store. I believe so far you've had enough time to build up your mind whether the projected image quality is great. It is indeed one of the best-looking devices in its class and offers substantially brighter and crisper images opposed to most other small projectors. Since the unit has quarter-inch mount at the bottom, it is so easy to install it on various tripods, or you can simply put it on a table and direct it towards a wall. The darker the wall, the better it is, or you may pick a proper projecting screen which absorbs the light in a much different way and is of course a lot better solution than just a wall. A totally favorite feature is the auto adjustment mode. You don't have to do anything. As soon as Mi Smart Projector 2 senses that it has moved or the image is not optimal, it's going to trigger the multi-auto keystone correction and make sure that the shapes are back to normal and there aren't any distortions. This is invaluable because it saves so much time that you otherwise spend on moving and adapting the image. Oh, and a great remote is included too, almost the same as the one used for Mi Box S. It's voice-enabled, so Google Assistant would easily become your best friend when it comes to searching for content or typing. So now, if I may point to my 3 favorite features, first, it looks gorgeous. Secondly, I totally adore the Keystone Auto-Correction and Auto-Adjustment feature and the Google Chromecast integration because I can immediately play content from my phone. So here we are, we just explored the new Mi Smart Projector 2 and enjoyed its stellar performance. So take a moment please, let us know which is your favorite movie and which would be the first thing to play on this device should you decide to get one. I'm Michael, been a pleasure to see you today, but now I have some sport events to watch, so see you next time!